Okay, the project for today, I wanted to change the oil in the truck, but I'm having an issue getting the oil filter off. What I first did, I just tried the standard oil filter wrench. The oil filter wrench ended up crushing the oil filter. So then I moved on to step number 2. What I tried next is the screwdriver trick through the oil filter, and that didn't work, as you can see. So I had to think of something else. The next thing I did, I went out and bought a strap wrench, and what that ended up doing was totally destroying the filter. It just shredded it right off the motor. So what I'm left with now is just the top of the filter stuck to the motor, and I can't get it off. I went online and I found a tool. It's actually an aviation tool that's supposed to get the oil filter off when it just totally shreds on the engine. So I'm going to mail away for it, and it should be here in about a week, and we're going to give it a try. I sent away for that part to get the oil filter off, and let's see what we got. I went to a place called Bogerts Aviation, and supposedly they make a wrench. It's called a Talon that's supposed to take it right off. So as I'm opening this, we have Oscar here again today.
Oscar!
Okay, let's take a look. Okay, here it is.
Another tool.
Okay, we have the tool here. And the way this is supposed to work, you see it fans out a little. And the way this is supposed to work is you take your replacement oil filter that you were going to put on, and you open it up, and you will line these bolts up with the bolt holes on the filter. So here, and like that. So see, now it's a fit. So now I will take this like this, remove it, and I will take this to the filter that's stuck on the truck, and it should spin right off. So you see, you would just take it and you would line up your holes here, and then you would just put the ratchet in here, and you would spin off the filter. So let's give it a try. But before we give it a try, Oscar, who's that?
That's Fredo. He's a mute.
Okay.
Take 3.
Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Fuck. Fucking bastard.
Ah, take 15. Ah. Slide on under there, Paulie.
Okay, I got it off. The first time I ended up breaking a bolt that was on there so tight. So, thankfully they give you extras. So I just put another bolt on it. And you just line it up in those holes, and I spun it right off, so it's all done. 2 weeks to do an oil change. I just want to thank Bogerts Aviation again, because without this tool, I probably would have had to bring it to a shop, and it would have cost probably a lot of money. Who knows what it would have taken. So, like I said, you can get this tool on Amazon, and it'll be listed under the name Safe Jack. Just look it up and type in Talon oil filter tool, and it will do the job.